Hi, I'm Pal Mehta.
And I'm Mihir Mehta. We are parent of Ayan Mehta, who is graduated today as a Platonite, and we would love to tell you as to how Ayan graduated. So Ayan, when started with the first quest, we were not very sure as to will he be continuing for the second, third, or fourth one. But to our surprise, despite of a lot of feedbacks which were not very positive to begin with, he adapted with it. He loved the concept. He was discussing, and I think he has seen the change within him. The resilience came to next level. Uh, Ayan has become humble. Ayan has become confident, and Ayan has been now accepting and adopting other people's thought processes and suggestions much more than what he used to be doing. Every single event of Plato's has been outstanding. I mean, we have never seen it before. And I think Plato's University is a must. The kind of blood, sweat, and energy Janki Madam, Yash, Chirag sir is giving is insane. I recommend it to every single parent. Please get your kids here, and you would find a new child in yourself. And what do you?
Platonites, they are amazing. The way they pitched today, it was like beyond our expectations. And Plato's, it played amazing role in their transformation. We just loved it.
All right, thank you so much, and wishing all the good luck to all the Platonites and to Playtos Miniversity. Thank you so much.
Thank you.